Hello, Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are going to learn how to crochet the herringbone double crochet. This is a really fun stitch that I am using in my new sweater pattern, which is shown here. This is a variation of the double crochet that is similar to the herringbone half double. If you've done that one, this is going to be a breeze. So let's move my work out of the way. To start your herringbone double crochet, you want to have any number of stitches. It doesn't really matter. This does not have a multiple for this stitch. When I start, I like to go into the third chain from the hook. So you're going to find the third chain, and then I like to look at the back bar. So I'm going to go into this back bar right here. Since this is a double crochet, we are going to wrap the yarn around our hook. I'm going to insert my hook into the back bar of that third stitch and pull up a loop. Okay, now with a regular double crochet, you would just yarn over and pull through two, and then yarn over and pull through the last two, right? With this one, we're going to take this loop that we just created, that we just pulled up in this back bar, and we're going to treat it like a slip stitch and go right underneath that first loop. So now you've got this great horizontal bar that goes on the bottom of your stitch. Now to make it a double crochet, you're going to yarn over and chain one, and now you're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. That is a herringbone double crochet. We're going to do it a lot more. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, and pull up a loop. Now when you pull up that loop, go ahead and pull it right on through that first one. Now we're going to chain one, and then yarn over and pull through both of those. That's two herringbone double crochets. Let's complete this to the end of the chain. And pull some yarn here so I'm not fighting with it. Okay, yarn over, go into the next stitch. Pull up that loop and pull it straight on through the next one. Now you're going to chain one, and now you're going to yarn over and pull through both. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull that loop straight on through the first one, chain one, yarn over, pull through both. Got three more here, and then we'll start a new row. Okay, so here we have a small little row of herringbone double crochets. Isn't that pretty? I love how it creates this slanted loop look here, and then it kind of looks like just another little stitch is sitting on top of it. That's our little chain that we did in our yarn over, so it looks really nice. To start a new row, since it's double crochet, I always chain two to start a double crochet row. Now we're going to turn and look at the back side, and we are going to crochet the exact same way we have in each of these stitches across. So I always like to go into the very first stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch and pull up that loop. And just like we did on the last row, I'm going to pull it right on through that first one, chain one, and then yarn over and pull through both. And that is all there is to the herringbone double crochet. The stitch is really fun. It's really pretty. It creates a nice texture to it and a nice feel, and it's just really nice and pretty. This new sweater pattern that I am releasing is worked in the round, so it does look a little bit different than the swatch that we just did. This is worked in the round, which means that they're continuous and I am not turning, so we're only going to see the pretty side of the sweater, or of the stitch, when you make this new sweater pattern. I hope you love it. I hope you love this stitch, and I look forward to creating more with you soon. Thank you for watching.